Hello, this is Paul Nelson with Western Sport Floors, Wyoming Wood Floors, coming to you today from Missoula, Montana. We're talking annual maintenance coat on your gymnasium floors. We used to call this a screen and recoat, but we are throwing away the screens. We're not using screens anymore for a number of reasons. Perhaps the biggest one was that the screen went in a swirl motion, and many times after the finish was on, our customers could still see those swirls in the finish. It drove us crazy, drove them crazy. We had to look for a better way, so we threw the screens away. The way we start in our process is to still use a side-by-side or a buffer machine. However, we've modified it slightly, put a chemical tank on it. We use a product like Basic Coatings IFT, or perhaps Betco's Blue Citrus, Blue Concentrate. To clean the floor, I'd like to recognize that both Bona, Hilliard, and others make similar products for cleaning wood floors. The key probably in my mind is not what product you use, but rather the fact that you actually clean the floor. Get it clean. We're using an SPP pad. We're going to show a little clip here of us coming along, cleaning a gym floor. You can see if there's black marks or candy or spilled soda. It's quickly scrubbed up, and then it's easy to come behind with a floor scrubber or with a tack towel and pick up the little bit of residual foam that's still on the floor. After the floor is entirely clean, we will then move on to a square scrub machine. Again, on this machine, we're just going to be using a 200 grit 3M SPP pad. And really what we're doing at this point is abrading the floor, putting in a small micro scratch that the finish can adhere into. We also have a chemical tank on this machine, and we would typically be using some kind of a rinse solution like the famous Squeaky from Basic Coatings. This is a product that's an alcohol-based product, quickly evaporates. So after the process of abrading the floor is complete, and the floor is prepped, any residual moisture on that floor will quickly evaporate, and that floor will be ready to accept finish in a relatively short period of time. We have a little video here that we'll run showing you what a floor that's absolutely cleaned, completely abraded, and ready for finish is. You'll notice there's almost no shine. It's a very dull sheen across this surface. That's what we want it to look like. And this floor is prepped and ready to accept finish. Once the finish is applied to a properly prepped floor, you will just be amazed at how fabulous your gym floors look after Western Sport Floors have been in to prep them and recoat them. If you have questions, feel free to contact us. We'd love to talk to you more about this system. For Western Sport Floors, Wyoming Wood Floors, this is Paul Nelson. You make it a great day.